Hello, my name's Glamrock Foxy, and I'm Glamrock Bonnie, and my name's Roxanne Wolf, and today I'm going to do a rant on why I'm not in security breach with Bonnie. And why am I not in security breach? I look like a good person with Roxy, and also Gregory. He kind of having a hard time focusing. But we're not scary like Monty. We're friendly. And also, I can't believe Monty tried to kill me. And second of all, uh, second of all, me and Roxy work each other as best friends, and this is why you never mess with the others. Also, never mess with Gregory. And also, why is Scott Coffin is not updating me and Bonnie? And also, when will we continue in security breach? Because I am getting really upset. Agree. And second of all, Roxanne talking, I want to say I am not the bad guy here. I'm just want to know, why would I ever attack a kid? And why would I have my eyes removed? I'm actually a different type of Roxanne from another parallel helping Gregory, not being attacking Freddy and Gregory for this one. And I know Freddy is Michael Afton because I was a lost soul too. And your turn, Bonnie. Okay, I'm glad I'm the only character returning, but why can you not bring Foxy with me after me? This is stupid. Security breach, if you're watching this, add Glamrock Foxy back. And also, let Roxy be with Glamrock Foxy. I want Roxy to be with Foxy, and I want them to be helping each other to work as a team. I hope DLC for Security Breach will have another kid being left out to helping me and Foxy too. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you.